Today I'm going to show you how to bypass the seat safety on an LT42 Cub Cadet. They're an Enduro Series mower. So you just pull downward on the seat switch, and it's this thing right here. So what we're going to do is put a zip tie around it, like this, and we're going to make sure that plunger is fully compressed. And then at this point it's bypassed, but you see how easy it is to move that zip tie around. So what I'm going to do is then take electrical tape, and I'm going to wrap it in electrical tape just a couple of times so that zip tie doesn't move. So now when you get off the mower to pick up a stick or something like that, you don't have to restart the mower. So that is the switch bypassed, and now you can just put it back in the seat and slide it up into position. There we go. Now this modification is only for people smart enough to not injure or kill themselves or someone else. So if you're dumb enough to put your foot under the deck with the blade engaged and start this, you deserve to lose your foot. There you go.